Today we are testing a new method to hide those grids and knots. Welcome back. Happy Sunday. So today's video we are going to be trying out a new method that I've seen around online, and I wanted to try it out with this wig because this wig specifically is a sleek look. This week's goal is to lay and slay the hair with a glueless application. You know, last week I used glue. This week we're not going to. The hairline on this wig is beautiful. This is a 360 lace wig. So this is what the inside of the cap construction looks like. And of course it has everything most caps have, the adjustable straps, the combs, and all that good stuff. So this hair is very sleek, it's straight, it do not have any waves, and what you are looking at right now is the hair after the first wash. Okay, I did go back and bleach the knots. I have washed this hair, and I have not took any type of flat iron to this hair. Yes, no flat iron. And girl, all right, so we're going to start off by applying some hair mousse to the hairline because I do want to tweeze it just a little bit, not because it needed, but just because I want a specific type of look. All right, and remember that everything that I use in today's video will be below in the description. This is what the hairline looks like before I do anything to it. Now, you may have missed my updated tweezing tutorial, so what I'm going to do for you is link it in the description box below this video because I'm not going to go into details about this tweezing method that I'm doing. So if you want those details, make sure to check out the video in the description box below this video. All right, so that's all the hair I'm gonna take out. I'm not gonna take out too much just because this hairline looks perfect already, and the knots on this wig are so small. I'm gonna do a close-up in just a second. I'm just taking my hot comb and pushing the hair back. So with these type of knots, you don't see them at all. They are so undetectable because they are so small, and I think these knots are perfect for this wig because, like I said, I want this wig to be laid and slayed, okay? And the only way to get it is if the cap construction works with the hair and everything just flows. So I am going to take the flat iron through it, even though I don't feel like it needed, because I didn't really tell a difference after I hit that flat iron through the hair because it was already so straight. So yeah, this is just extra, I guess. Okay, so I am going to add some of this MAC Studio Fix powder to the inside of the cap, and this is going to help match the lace with my complexion. It's also going to get rid of the brownish color that's on the knots and make it match. For today's method, I'm going to use the Scarway silicone scar sheets, and I first saw lovely Brienne do this method. Today I'm just testing and demonstrating this method. Later on this week I will come back and let you all know how I liked it and how it held up throughout the rest of my wear. When I saw her do this method, she used it on the inside of the cap. They do have this color to them, so if you are darker you may need to alter the color of it, but they have the adhesive on one side, which is, you know, like a band-aid, just a little bit more sticky. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to place them on the inside of this cap, just like you would take the plastic off a band-aid. Is the same exact way you would do it for this. So this is what the adhesive on it looks like. It's very shiny. However, I'm just going to take it and stick it down. Now, when you do place it, you want to place it behind the pre-plucked hairline. So when doing this method, you will have to use one sheet at a time, and you can do it throughout the whole cap, or you can do it throughout just the parting area. Now, because I am going to be wearing this wig all week, my goal for this wig, like I said, is for it to look slayed, laid all week long, gluelessly. So I am testing this method for the rest of the week. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on how everything goes. So make sure you are subscribed. So I'm just going to continue to place these around the lace, and I'm gonna do about maybe 4 or 5 of them. I'm only placing them in the areas where I feel like I am going to part the hair the most. Now you want to make sure when you press them, you are pressing them flat because they can roll at the ends. So I put about 6 all together. Yeah, that's basically all I needed. I mean, if you want to be specific, you can cut them and shape them out to fit the entire front of the cap, but I didn't feel like I wanted to spend that much time on it. So yeah, this is all I did. This is what it looks like just with the wig on the canvas head. And just in case you're wondering, yes, I separated edges from the hairline. That's what I'm doing here. So this is what we are looking like after applying the SCALP inside the cap. Now let's see how it look applied. Like I said, this week we are going for a no glue, no hairspray, no gel wig application. So I'm just using the adjustable straps that's in the back of the wig and also the combs. I'm going to go ahead and set that middle parting because as you guys seen, that parting was not a middle parting because I did it on the canvas head. But anyways, yeah, I'm going to be sure to link this wig in the description box also, so make sure you check there, and I may also have a discount. So I'm going to cut away around the ear area because a lot of times with the 360 wigs you have to reshape around the ear area, that way it can flow without sitting on top of the ear. So that's what I'm doing here. Now, as far as the line of demarcation, the separation of the SCALP and can you see it through the lace, I can't determine that yet until I have finished the hairline. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the edges on this. Now, is this method better than the fake scalp method? When I created the fake scalp method, I definitely was going for comfort, I was going for convenience, and I was going for something that looks really natural like scalp to hide the grids of the lace, because it's very important that your wig lace do not show when you are wearing it, because nobody wants that. So just looking at it now before I even finish the hairline, I do still see the SCALP. So I am using a little bit of makeup, and this right here I was a little concerned about. However, I like to keep playing with things until I get it, because you know what, at the end of the day, all these techniques are learned through trial, error. So what I decided to do was go back and cut away some of that SCALP so it would fall further behind the hairline, and we will see if that helps. So for the baby hairs today, I am creating just light baby hairs just because I want them for this wig. I don't want that straight across, straight look. All right, so we are now done, and this is what everything is looking like, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, the knots are great, the hair is nice and sleek. If you like that long sleek hair, this hair is 26 inches, 26, boo. And let's talk about this SCALP. I am going to come back with my thoughts on it because I definitely want to test it out a little bit longer just to see how it wears. But so far we are looking good. Lovely Brienne, girl, I like it so far. So I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated on this hair throughout the week and also this method. So if you would like to see that, make sure you are subscribed by clicking that subscribe button, clicking that bell to turn on those notifications, and I will see you all back in my next video.